Hello again, everyone. I wanted to do another quick tutorial on, for those of you who are new to blogging and new to the WordPress style of blogging platforms. I wanted to do another quick tutorial on how to customize the look of your site. The previous tutorial was about posting your first blog post, but what if you have posted your blog post, you've posted a couple of them, and you decide that you just don't like the look of this particular theme. I think this is actually a really nice one, very minimalist, but let's say you want to do something really different. Well, the thing to do is to go to your dashboard, and you can customize the look of this particular theme. The name of the theme is Serena, and you can customize the way this particular one looks by you could change the name of the site. Instead of literature blogger, you could call it blogger of literature. You could change the tagline. Instead of the tagline right here that we see on every page and every particular blog post, we could change the tagline to anything you want. And it'll change. You can also change the logo. Now, on this particular blog, we don't have a logo, but if you wanted to add an image that has to give it a different kind of look, or an image that has text within it, you could do that by adding an image, by dragging and dropping an image file or selecting a file from your desktop. Or you could decide to change the color of the text. In this particular one, a lot of the text, a lot of the header text is blue, so you can either make that dimmer or darker for this particular theme, or you could change the color of it all together. And you have a number of choices to choose from. Again, you can change all different aspects of that text. You can also make this a static page, or make a particular post a static post, and we'll get into that later on. But let's say you want to change the theme completely. You're not really happy with Serena for your site, and you want to completely change the look and feel of your site. We'll go right here, right beneath the Customize Your Site, go to the Change Your Theme Completely link, click on that, and let's say that you want to have a very green theme. You can activate it, but let's take a look at what it will look like before activating it for your site by clicking on the Live Preview button. And this essentially gives you a preview look of what your site would look like. Now I say, well, it's very interesting, but I don't want to go with that, so we'll cancel out of that, and the canceling takes us back to our various choices. There are 28 choices to choose from here. Let's say we want to try something really different. Let's do a live preview of Pixelate. Okay, that's nice. And of course, you can always customize your various themes to more or less degrees. Let's say we want to do something very, very different. Let's try the Polaroids theme. We'll do the live preview. Now this one gives you a very different way of looking and seeing your blogging site. So we can see the literature blogger title is there. There's the tagline right beneath it. But here you can see that each one of your blog posts looks like a stack of Polaroid photos. And if you click on it, it'll take you to that particular blog post. But let's hold on. Let's go back to the live preview. But one of the other nice things about this this theme is that you can actually assign a photograph or a picture of some sort to each one of your blog posts if you want to do that. And so each blog post will have a really different look, a different image representing it, and you can further customize things as you feel. Here's another one that I really like called Spun. It gives you more choices as far as customizing it, but you can see here's the site title, and I don't see the tagline here, but you can see where each one of your blog posts, the title of each one of your blog posts are given a circle that highlight when you mouse over them. And one of the things I happen to know about this particular thing too is that each one of these circles can also be given an image as well. The default for this one is text, but you can also add images too. And in addition to that, you can always customize further. So let's go back to the dashboard. And that's just a brief introduction to what you need to do in order to either customize the current theme by clicking on this button, or to changing your theme completely. And don't worry, changing your theme and experimenting with different themes isn't going to destroy the content that you've already written. It's just going to change the way your site looks, and of course you can always go back to the original theme if you want to. And that's all I have for you for this blog post. Thank you very much.